As a lot of you have stated that you believe beat selling market is oversaturated, and I personally agree. I think there are a lot of producers who have now sort of started to come out, but as anything in life, everything is saturated, right? Everything that is here is going to have a little bit of competition, but as newer artists are going to be appearing, I'm going to have newer niches, newer styles of music, right, to make. So it will never be as it's saturated, and even if it is, there's a lot of artists as well. But guys, in this video I will explain you how you can actually at least gain 50%, 60% advantage over those who are just not following this trick. So I'm going to show you a little trick here that if you use, you're gonna end up making at least like a 50 to 60% more sales. All right, because of how great this little trick is. And I believe this, if you use this trick, you're gonna have a lot more sales and you're gonna start selling a lot more than you currently are. All right, guys, this trick is gonna be adding value, and I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually add value in this video using simple little editing software. All right, so the kind of value they're going to be adding is going to be designing a cover art for your for those who are buying your beat. Now guys, you might think this is additional work. There's too much of work, but guys, it's not it's not as hard. And I'm actually, if you keep watching this video, I'm actually going to show you how easy it is to make something like this. I just made this in like 10 minutes. In 10 minutes I made this. It's not really that hard, and you can do this for free without paying any professional software. I'm going to show you in this video without even downloading a software, without even paying for someone, paying to someone to do this work. You can do this on your own, and you can sort of go ahead and package your beats plus this custom made or any custom made artwork. You can sell that package to an artist, right? You can just go ahead and email that artist and say, hey, I will send you this this custom made artwork for your release if you buy this beat, if you buy a $30 lease, if you buy a $40 lease, whatever you price this, man, right? The artist is much more likely to sort of go ahead and say, hey, okay, cool, can you show me your work? You can just go ahead and send a couple of your designs, the designs the artworks you made for other artists, and then the artist will be more likely to say, yeah, cool, okay, that's great, because the artist has to pay someone to get this thing done. And actually not a lot of artists have that kind of knowledge or understanding of how certain editing software works. They are good in music, don't get me wrong, guys. They can sing, they can do all these things, but they cannot do everything else on their own. We as a producer, if we can do more things, guys, we will have an upper hand on those who cannot do this. Okay, and this is actually gonna uplift you in the hierarchy here. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you this software. It's known as Photopea, and it's free software. Okay, I think you can actually donate these people if you want. But this works like Photoshop, and it works like wonders, guys. I've used this software so much. I think it's sort of like a Photoshop. I don't know. It has all the features of Photoshop somehow. It works really, really well. I love this program, and I think and you don't even have to download this. You just visit photopea.com and just start designing. So in this video, I'll show you how you can make something like this from scratch. Okay, so just keep watching this video. I'll show you how you can actually exactly do this thing. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on the file and click on new. Now once I click on new, it's gonna ask me what's the size I'm gonna have to be picking, and I'll select the YouTube profile, and then I'll just change it to 1000 by 1000. Alright, and the background is going to be, just keep it white. Everything else is good. Just hit the create button. Alright guys, you're going to see something like this here. Now the first thing you want to do is going to be searching for a certain type of PNG file. So you're going to go ahead and look up the any sort of PNG. So for example, if you want to, you have to have something in your mind. What do you want to do? Like, what exactly is going to be the way you're going to design this artwork? So you want to talk to the artist that's actually your buyer, and once this artist purchases the lease, you're going to have to ask this guy what kind of art he wants, what kind of artwork he wants or she wants. So you're going to have to ask this artist, and then this artist is going to tell you that I want this kind of I want maybe like a dark looking artwork, and some artists want bright looking artwork. So for example, an artist, if a girl is if you're talking to a girl and she has this cute image, like cute kawaii type image, you want to make sure you use certain type of things. For example, Japanese related arts, Japanese related PNG, anime related PNG. Yeah, so you want to use these kind of things. Alright guys, so you want to look at the artist's music. You want to see what kind of music this artist makes, and then go ahead and just make something for that artist. So for example, I'm going to be making something for an artist who's actually just making more like a wavy music, something more like lo-fi style. Since I make lo-fi music, I'm going to go ahead and make a lo-fi artwork here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this paint bucket tool, and then select the color blue, sort of like a sky color, and I'm going to select this color here. Alright, and I'm going to click on paint bucket, and then click on this canvas here. Now this is going to print the blue color, sky blue color over here, and now you can go ahead and add other things. So I've already downloaded these files. I have these files right here. I have this little angel. I have a transparent plastic texture, more on that later, but we're gonna go ahead and drag and drop these angels here. This one angel. Alright, so you just want to adjust that a little bit, and I just click on here and then just click on this arrow, move it and put it in the middle. I'm just doing it quickly, but yeah guys, you want to download these PNGs from a certain website. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this website. For example, this website known as PNG Item. It's a good one. You can download a lot of PNGs from here. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the cloud as well over here, and let's drag this little guy, and it should be, there you go. Alright guys, so this gonna be this is gonna be it for that. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add the secret sauce, which is gonna be the plastic texture, and this is gonna give it a lot good looking. It's gonna give it that kind of a different look. Well, we can find some plastic wrap, insert in vinyl music, for example. So if I'm making a lo-fi artwork, I want to make sure I put this texture over here. And now I'm going to go ahead and just adjust this texture, and go to just move this texture on the top of it, and then go ahead and go here, layers, and then select the overlay option. Now when I select the overlay, it's gonna look something like this. Now we're gonna go to opacity and turn this down a little, around 40%, 30%. Alright, let's just do it the way you want. So now we have the main cover over here. Now we're gonna go ahead and select the text tool, which is the type tool, and just type in the name of the artist, and the font that I'm using is Vidaloka, and you can find that font in Photopea. So I'm gonna move the little text down here. All right, there we go. Now there's your cover right there. Doesn't take that much if you know what kind of artist you're making the cover for, what is the requirement for that artist, what exactly you're gonna go ahead and make for that artist. So this cover might work really well for someone who's making lo-fi music, right? And I just made this very quickly. Now you can definitely go ahead and just put more things over here, add more textures, all these kind of good stuff. When you provide this type of value, guys, it really just propels you higher than someone who's just providing beats, or not really providing that much value. It really propels you and puts you more, it makes you more valuable. Okay, so instead of just charging less for someone, for something, you can go ahead and provide more value. That will actually get a lot more sales. Alright guys, so this is going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed my content here, please hit the thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel, and let me know in the comments what you think about this type of way of selling beats. Is it something that you're going to try? Is it something that you want to try? And if you try this, what are the results that you're getting? All right, just let me know in the comments, and see you guys next time. Take care, guys.